And the Golden Globe goes to Killlian Murphy.
This is Cillian Murphy's second nomination and first win. Killlian wins his Golden Globe tonight for his role of J. Robert Oppenheimer in Oppenheimer.
Oh boy. First question, do I have lipstick all over my nose? I'm just going to leave it. I knew the first time that I walked on a Chris Nolan set that it was different. I could tell by the level of rigor, the level of focus, the level of dedication, the complete lack of any seating options for actors, that I was in the hands of a visionary director, a master. And I want to thank Chris and Emma for having the faith in me for 20 years and 6 feckin' pictures. So thanks so much. One of the most beautiful and vulnerable things about being an actor is that you can't do it on your own, really. And we had the most incredible ensemble cast in this movie. It was magic, and some of them are here today. Emily Blunt, Robert Downey Jr., Matt Damon, Gary Oldman. Thank you for carrying me and holding me through this movie. Thank you too. Thank you.